Thank you for being here. My name is Jan and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. So today we are going to make pork stew. Very simple, one of my favorite dishes to make. And you can also substitute it with chicken or with beef. With beef though, you need to cook it a little longer. And also I added some potatoes, carrots, celery, and my favorite spices. You know, I'm all about this dried herbs and spices. So dried thyme, smoked paprika, and red chili pepper flakes for a little heat. So this is really delicious, and let me show you how to make it. Let's start working on the potatoes and the rest of the veggies. I like to peel the potatoes, and since this is a stew, I cut them in bigger chunks. Slice the carrots and celery. Chop one yellow onion. Mince 4 garlic cloves. Now let's cut the pork tenderloin in 1/2 inch thick. And then cut them into cubes. Now season the pork with salt, pepper, and cornstarch. Toss the coat well. Heat the pot with oil, and then we're going to fry our pork. We're going to sear them until they're golden brown. Once they're done browning, remove them from the pot and set them aside. Now use the same pot, add the onion and saute. Add the garlic, continue sauteing, and then add the rest of the veggies. And then add the potatoes. And then here are seasonings: salt, smoked paprika, dried thyme, red chili pepper flakes. And then stir to combine. And then add the diced tomatoes. Add brown sugar. And then add the pork back into the pot. And then add either beef broth or chicken broth, and then bay leaves, cover and simmer. And then once it's done simmering, we're gonna add slurry. This is to thicken the stew. And then sprinkle some parsley.